Vehicle we're looking at today is a titanium twin-turbo Audi R8 Spyder from B-Rogue. And stay tuned to the end where I have a video of the car taken off from a meet. It sounds absolutely incredible. So to go ahead and start, they start with an Audi R8, which has a 5.2-liter V10 producing about 562 horsepower. From there, B-Rogue goes ahead and they craft a hand-built titanium exhaust with twin air-cooled billet comp turbos. The ECU has to be reprogrammed to accommodate the turbos, and they actually use an in-house developed ECU tune from B-Rogue. And then the end product is producing over 850 wheel horsepower on 91 octane and even includes warranty. Now, these kits are available for a variety of different vehicles in the Lamborghini and Audi family, and they start at just $39,500 on top of the price of the car, obviously. And now they do have some different packages that offer some upgraded horsepower options, which of course come at an increased cost, but the fact that they come with a warranty is just incredible to me. How good does this look?